You invest capital, you build products, you lead teams across borders. And you know the problem. Too many dependencies on single companies, platforms, gatekeepers. But what if a laser physicist could work with high-tech experts in Greater Noida, Shenzhen, and HoChi Minh City to build socially responsible technology without any central ownership? That's an Open Value Network, or OVN. It's an organizational framework for commons-based peer production, cross-border by design. Not a classic company as a legal form, but a working network governed by rules, roles, and measurable contributions. Let's look at how this actually works. Sensorica, founded in Montreal in 2011, is described in an IMD Business School case study as a functioning OVN focused on open hardware. Here's the mechanics. You work with roles instead of titles. Maintainer, QA lead, supply lead, security reviewer, sales partner. You split the product into modules, define specifications, and use open tickets for tasks. You log contributions, not just coding, but testing, documentation, sales, partner work, certification, manufacturing coordination. Many networks use a shared vocabulary called value flows to describe resource and value flows between actors. An OVN shifts three things you deal with every day. First, talent access. You access specialists without a traditional hiring chain. Second, time to execution. You enable parallel work when modules are cleanly separated. Third, IP and monetization. You define what stays open, what gets licensed, what is certified, what is sold as a service. Model 1. Open hardware product line with certification. Target customers are industrial integrators, factories, smart city operators, OEMs. Revenue comes from licensing, certification fees, manufacturing partner fees, and service contracts. Multiple teams deliver modules while certification bundles trust. Model 2. Contribution accounting software for networks. Target customers are open hardware consortia, research projects, venture studios. Revenue logic is SaaS pricing per user and project. Enterprise contracts for audit and role management, built on value flows. Model 3. Revenue sharing vehicles for product modules. Target customers are investor groups, family offices, operators of product lines. Revenue returned through defined shares per product line, triggered by milestones, acceptance tests, and market launch. To understand this deeply, your team should know HoChi Benkler's The Wealth of Networks, the IMD case study, value flows documentation, and the Commons Transition Primer. If you allocate capital, structure deals, or build global tech teams, you need organizational models that work across borders. Follow Tempulse, Global and Global Expansion 2030 Insights, the magazine report series. Trust as the result of fulfilled expectations.